In this episode, you will explore technologies used in industrial coating. Modern coating plants are companies that benefit from cutting-edge technological developments and use many robots in their production processes. And all their activities ensure care for the natural environment and safety of employees, just as in Alucrom, a company that has been running 4 industrial coating plants in Poland for over 20 years. Let's visit it to learn about technologically advanced processes used to apply anti-corrosion and decorative coating.
Alucrom działa na rynku
Alucrom has been operating in the Polish market for over 20 years, while in Europe we have been present since the 1950s. We apply anti-corrosion protection coatings to various types of workpieces for industries, including automotive, railway and rail vehicles, agricultural and construction machines, and even the military sector. Regardless of the chosen coating method, at the beginning the procedure is similar. Everything starts with surface preparation, using chemical methods, degreasing, phosphating, and the 𝗷𝗲𝘀𝘁 process in dipping baths or by spraying, and mechanical methods, in sandblasting processes for steel components or corundum blasting processes for aluminum components, followed by priming, filling, and leveling of irregularities, if required, and finally grinding. Those areas of a workpiece that are to remain uncoated are masked. Now let's move to coating itself. The first of the presented options involves automated production lines, on which medium and large volume coating is performed. Every year, several million workpieces with anti-corrosion coatings for leading car manufacturers such as Audi, BMW, Hyundai, Jaguar, Land Rover, and Mercedes-Benz leave plants in Byków and Oleśnica. Low-temperature wet coating is performed serially using robots, and coating application processes are fully automated. This allows components of even most complex geometry to be coated evenly and thoroughly. Here we can see how a FANUC robot cooperates with a Wagner coating system. A 6-axis arm ensures a full freedom of movement and precise coating, even in areas that are hard to access. A customized program is developed for each workpiece, so an ideal coating can be obtained. And we must not forget about the environmental aspects. The booth used for serial coating is equipped with ventilation, a water curtain, a system of filters, and a coagulation system. This enables efficient paint separation from water, significantly reducing waste. The plants are also equipped with in-house wastewater treatment facilities and closed-loop water circulation systems. Cataphoresis coating is based on a different principle. This process uses dipping baths, in which parts, for example, vehicle bumpers or chassis components, are immersed. In these baths, the workpieces are first degreased and then undergo phosphate conversion and electrolytic coating. The powder coating production processes are also augmented to a large extent. Workpieces are placed on special hangers, and coating is applied in a designated booth. After heat curing, they undergo a thorough quality control, similar to that applied for all technologies used at Alucrom. The automated coating system has 2 characteristics that are crucial for us: repeatability and precision, without which the serial coating would not be possible. Additionally, it significantly shortens the time required for painting each workpiece, thus contributing to the effectiveness. But what about custom orders? When large-size components, like an entire vehicle or structure, need to be coated, or when the project is not repeatable and the use of an automated line is not justified. Then the project is sent to the coating plant in 𝗷𝗲𝘀𝘁 or 𝗷𝗲𝘀𝘁, where manual coating and accompanying processes are performed. Thermal zinc spray coating, if required. Wet coating, or the Bleigold technology, used, for example, in the sanitary engineering sector and HVAC systems, which ensures high resistance to corrosion and mechanical damage. And the final result of each of these processes is truly impressive.